Good morning, champs. Let's solve the integral of natural log of x plus 1. This looks very similar to the integral of natural log of x. So we again use integration by parts. Quick reminder, integration by parts says the integral of u dv equals u times v minus the integral of v du. We choose u equal to natural log of x plus 1 and dv equals dx. Now differentiate u. The derivative of natural log of x plus 1 is 1 over x plus 1. So du is 1 over x plus 1 dx. Now integrate dv. The integral of dx is x, so v equals x. Now apply integration by parts. We get x times natural log of x plus 1 minus the integral of x over x plus 1. Now we simplify that fraction. Write x as x plus 1 minus 1, then x over x plus 1 becomes 1 minus 1 over x plus 1. Now substitute that back into the integral. So we get x natural log of x plus 1 minus the integral of 1 minus 1 over x plus 1. Now split the integral. The integral of 1 is x, and the integral of 1 over x plus 1 is natural log of the absolute value of x plus 1. So the result becomes x natural log of x plus 1 minus x plus natural log of the absolute value of x plus 1 plus c. We can combine the two logarithm terms. That gives x plus 1 times natural log of the absolute value of x plus 1 minus x plus c. Quick takeaway. Even when the logarithm has an inner expression, integration by parts still works. Just be careful with the derivative of the inside.